Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my teriyaki burgers. I do use the 80/20 ground beef, and this is about 2.5 pounds of ground beef. This should feed about 4 to 5 people. Okay, so first off we're going to need about 6 garlic cloves crushed, a whole onion diced. Okay, so we're gonna add all the ingredients to the meat. Again, this is about 2.5 pounds of ground beef, 80/20. I'm gonna add a tablespoon of brown sugar, a tablespoon of ground ginger, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, a teaspoon of pepper, a teaspoon of salt, and an entire onion diced. Oh, and also we're going to add our garlic, add it in there and mix it all together. So this is how it should look after you add all the ingredients and you mix it well. Now we're going to get ready to get them into individual patties. Okay guys, so I'm done doing the patties. I got 6. These are large patties. Now if you want to make them smaller you can. I'm sure you get double the amount if you make them smaller, but this is how we like it here at home. So we're gonna add some bacon to our teriyaki burgers. I normally do cook them in an air fryer. It's a lot quicker and they come out really nice and crispy. Okay, so when I'm cooking my burgers, I like to add a little bit water in the pan, not too much. You're gonna cook it as normal and serve it. I'll show you the final results here in a minute.